Hello boys and girls. Pythagoras theorem states that square of the hypotenuse, that means c square, is equal to sum of square of both the sides. But many don't know that Pythagoras theorem actually states that area of the square whose side is the hypotenuse, that means c square, is equal to sum of areas of the square of the other two sides, a square plus b square. Now let's look at the proof of this theorem. To prove this theorem, I've taken a square with side a plus b and made four right angled triangle at its corner with sides a, b and c. In all the triangle, hypotenuse is c, that makes the inside square area c square. Area of the outer square is a plus b whole square, which is equal to square of all the four triangles, 4 into 1 by 2 a into b plus area of inner white square c square. Now let's rearrange the triangles in the second figure. Shift this lighter green triangle to make a rectangle with sides a and b. Shift the light pink triangle to this side and bring down this triangle to again form a rectangle. After rearranging, we are left with two white square. Area of the smallest square is a square and area of this bigger square becomes b square. Again, write the area of outer square a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus area of these two rectangles with side AB, that means 2AB. What we get here is a very famous algebra formula and can be proved using this square. Now equate this value with what we got in the first figure, that means 2AB plus c square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Cancel 2ab both sides and finally you get c square is equal to a square plus b square.